Today, we're diving into part 2 of our series on the newest Amazon kitchen gadgets that are worth buying in 2024. From cutting-edge air fryers to time-saving tools for your coffee and cooking needs, I've got 10 amazing gadgets that are sure to level up your kitchen game. So let's get right into it. If you're looking for a versatile cooking powerhouse, the Elite Gourmet 5-quart air fryer is the gadget for you. This multi-cooker isn't just an air fryer. It can bake, broil, saute, and even slow cook. With easy-to-use digital controls, you can whip up everything from perfectly crispy fries to slow-cooked stews. It features both top and bottom heating zones, which means even cooking every time. Plus, the independent bottom heat control lets you fine-tune your cooking to perfection. Whether you're cooking for one or a family, this air fryer handles it all with ease. Tired of chopping garlic by hand? The garlic cover cutter is about to be your new best friend. This compact little tool saves you time and effort by cubing garlic quickly and evenly with just a press. Forget the sticky mess of mincing garlic. This gadget ensures your garlic is perfectly sized for cooking, with no fuss. It's also super easy to clean, which means you can get on with the fun part, cooking your delicious meals. Whether you're making pasta, stir fries, or marinades, this tool will have your garlic ready in seconds. Grill season doesn't have to end when the weather cools down, thanks to the CUSIMAX Indoor outdoor electric grill. With its non-stick surface and turbo smoke extractor technology, you can enjoy perfectly grilled food without the smoke or mess, indoors or out. The LED display and tempered glass lid make it easy to monitor your food, while the detachable parts ensure cleaning is a breeze. Now, you can grill up a storm any day of the week, all year round. If you love freshly brewed coffee, the KitchenAid coffee grinder is a must-have. With its one-touch control, grinding coffee beans has never been easier. Just press down on the cover to start, and release to stop. You can watch the magic happen through the clear top cover, ensuring you get the perfect grind consistency every time. The stainless steel blade is powerful and durable, quickly grinding enough beans for up to 12 cups of coffee. Plus, the removable 4-ounce stainless steel bowl features measurement markings, so you always know the exact amount of beans to use. Why settle for canned soup when you can make your own from scratch with the simple living 7-in-1 soup maker? This multifunctional gadget does more than just soup. It can make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, baby purees, and more. With its high-speed extraction blade, you can even whip up homemade nut milk that retains all the vitamins and minerals. In just 30 minutes, you can have a fresh, hearty soup on the table. One-touch operation and smart sensors make it incredibly easy to use, while the non-stick interior means cleanup is a breeze. For anyone who loves fresh, homemade meals, this is a game-changer. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes with the Zulay kitchen potato masher. This premium stainless steel masher features a silicone coating, so you can mash directly in your non-stick cookware without worrying about scratches. It's perfect for creating fluffy, creamy potatoes with minimal effort. The balanced handle gives you an ergonomic grip, making mashing more comfortable and efficient. And it's not just for potatoes. This versatile tool works great for avocados, bananas, and more. Plus, food doesn't stick to the silicone, so cleaning is quick and easy. Simply pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. Dealing with stubborn bell pepper seeds can be a real hassle, but the bell pepper corer makes it effortless. With one swift motion, the corer removes stems, cores, and seeds from bell peppers for quick and easy prep. It's stainless steel, angled edges cut through green, red, yellow, or orange bell peppers smoothly every time. Say goodbye to fiddling with knives and messy prep. Just quick, easy, and efficient coring. It's perfect for preparing stuffed bell peppers, fajitas, or even crudités appetizers. Opening cans just got a whole lot easier with the Amazon Basics electric can opener. This gadget's powerful stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through standard-sized cans, with no snagging or mess. It automatically stops when the can is open and has a magnetic lid holder to keep the lid from falling into your food. The wide, non-slip base keeps it steady on your countertop, while the compact design ensures it won't take up too much space. If you want a no-fuss, reliable can opener, this one's for you. For all the cold brew fans out there, the Zulay Kitchen Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a must-have. This 64-ounce mason jar comes with a leak-proof lid and extra thick glass, ensuring your cold brew stays fresh and flavorful. The fine mesh stainless steel filter allows you to make smooth, delicious cold brew or iced tea without any grit, and the built-in spigot makes pouring super convenient. Whether you're brewing for yourself or guests, this stylish cold brew maker is easy to use and a great addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Unleash your inner baker with the Kootek 42 PCS piping bags and tip set. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit has everything you need to decorate cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more. It comes with a wide range of piping tips, allowing you to create intricate designs with ease. The durable, non-slip piping bags are easy to handle, and the included couplers let you switch between tips effortlessly. If you love baking or want to up your decorating game, this set will help you create bakery-worthy treats from the comfort of your kitchen. And guess what? I've included the product links down in the description, so you can easily check them out. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen must-haves.